Welcome back to Next Level Rides. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the orange side marker on your G Series or potentially F Series, maybe even new series BMW. If you're anything like me, you hate to see the orange and it's a much cleaner look without. So I figured out how to get it done. So stay tuned and I'll show you how. So for the corner lights, a lot of people would think that you need some sort of tool to actually get in there, pull the headlight out, lift the car, pull a bulb out. With a BMW, at least a modern one, you don't actually need a single tool. What's kind of neat is everything is done electronically. So you can have either an MHD universal connector or a wireless Wi-Fi adapter. You could have the black one, which I believe is for G Series and F Series. I could be wrong. DCAN cable and an eNet cable. So I originally started with these two cables. They only work for E chassis and F chassis. And eventually you will definitely want to step up into something like this. So I'm not affiliated with MHD, but the universal adapter will do E chassis, F chassis, and G chassis, including the Toyota Supra. So just get yourself one of these. I think it was 160 bucks Canadian pesos and just be done with it. So now we're going to get to programming. All right, so once it's connected to your adapter, you're going to go into your Wi-Fi settings. It's going to scan for the MHD. So we'll click this, click done. We'll go to the main menu, and what it's going to do is it's going to prompt for internet access. You'll click connect only this time. And then we'll start by going into Bimmercode, connect, pick whatever adapter you want. 5 series, and it's going to put the car into diagnostics mode. Identifying the ECUs, and we're good to go. All right, so first one we're going to do is your front light module. You're going to go expert mode. That's going to prompt you that you can screw it up. It's true, you can, but we're going to try not to. It's LM_ID _LTO4. Now it's currently on 01_value, and you can see in the bytes or bit or whatever it is 0x04. You're going to go to the one that's 0x00, save, and then we're going to go to LM04_name. Okay, same thing. You're going to select the second one, save, go back, and we're going to select code. Okay, now we're going to go into the right light module. It's going to read coding data, expert mode. Yep, we'll screw it up. LM_ID_LTO4. Same thing. We're going to do the second one. We're going to go to LM04_name. 0. Back. Code. You'll see the light go off. It resets the module. It's freaky when it does that, but hey. Okay, restarting ECU. Clearing errors. All right, so we're going to go back, disconnect. Okay, so I'm going to show you up front what we did. Okay, so we're gonna turn it to parking lights, and we're gonna look at the driver's side. You can see the side orange is off. Now it has retained all of the options that you have maybe coded based on your DRLs, welcome home lights, and so forth. So there was one additional step, but there's no point in it because our goal here is simply just to get rid of the orange markers. And passenger side, you can see side marker is gone. So super simple. It took days, I would say, to figure out exactly how to get that out, or to at least turn the orange off. And I think this is the only proper way to do it. So hopefully it helps someone out there, and we'll go from there. As always, feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.